Welcome back to Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel. This video is about an Audi A3 convertible, 2012 year, which come in to have the old antiquated, I'll show you, Audi Symphony system replaced. This car's got factory Bose, which didn't sound that bad, factory steering wheel controls. The customer wanted to retain all of that, which she has done. So we've installed the Kenwood DMX8021. So let me turn the ignition on and show you what it looks like. Audi logo comes up because we put that on there. To pick up DAB, we've installed a DAB aerial on the windscreen, which is just there. And to pick up the call quality in its best fashion, we've fitted a microphone just there. I'm going to actually just run through some options on this unit, so how it works. The unit will have DAB as standard, so we go DAB. You've got your favourites over on the right hand side, just like that, you can store. Or if you want to go through your list, you push the magnifying glass, and then now you've got all your stations in alphabetical order, just like so. Really easy to use unit. So when you've chosen the one you want, you select it, wait a few seconds, and then you'll have sound, and you can just push and hold one, and then that will store the classic FM over there. And if you use your steering wheel controls, as you can see, your steering wheel controls all work as well. If I get my phone connected, let's show you Apple CarPlay, because that's probably what the main reason you're watching this video is because. So I'm going to make it visible, I'm going to go on my phone, I'm going to hit pair with it, I'm going to hit allow, and then I'm going to hit yes on the unit, and then I'm just going to follow all the on-screen requests on the phone and the unit. Just say yes to every single one. Don't ever say no, just say yes. And then that way, when your phone is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and you turn this on, it will automatically connect. You don't have to do any of that rigmarole whatsoever. It will automatically do it every time you get in, just like so. So now the customer has got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this screen. So you've got Global Player, you can use for internet radio apps, you've got Google Maps, you've got Apple Maps. If you prefer Waze, you can use Waze, TomTom. You've got all the apps you could possibly want. It's a very easy to use screen. Illumination down the bottom would change to red just to match the lights on the vehicle. So when you turn your lights on at night, as you can see, all the Audi lights go red with white, so the red buttons look nice on there. Unit also offers HDMI input if you want to expand on it and have a HDMI input for watching Netflix and so on through an Amazon Fire Stick. You've got USB, you've got FM radio, but the main features, it's got its wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Fits really nicely, just like so. It comes with a USB-C, which comes out the back. You can have it hidden in the glove box, but our customer just wanted it dropped nice and conveniently below the heated controls, just so it's really easy to get to, because there's a little open trough in here, which the lady just has her phone just sort of resting in there, so she decided to have it down there, but you can have it kind of within reason anywhere you want. But yeah, that is the DMX8021 fitted in a Audi A3 8P chassis. My name is Connor, this is Kleis Car Audio, we'll see you soon, goodbye.